Hey guys, it's Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 2026 Via Tesoro. This is a gorgeous custom home in Mesilla. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2441 square feet, has refrigerated air, lots of custom features throughout, solid wood doors, beautiful woodwork throughout the home. Come on in, let's take a look around. Right now I'm standing in the family room here. Again, lots of custom features in here. You have these built-in beautiful wood bookshelves. You have the nice gas starter fireplace, beautiful wood beams in here as well. It does have surround sound. You have a little sitting area nook here as well. Right now I'm standing in the kitchen. Gorgeous kitchen, has a granite countertop island, just absolute tons of storage, lots of workspace, countertop space as well. You got a gas stove, all the appliances stay in here. It's a Bosch dishwasher. Beautiful windows here. All the windows are Pella windows as well. In between the kitchen and the family room, you got the dining room area here. Does have access out to the backyard. The master suite is a great room, nice and large, plenty of room for a king-size bed and all your furniture. The master bathroom has a jet tub, beautiful tile work, a beautiful tiled shower stall with a little seat, double sinks, again, a huge master closet as well. The guest bedrooms are really nice sized bedrooms. They have plantation shutter, solid wood doors. There is ceiling fans in them. One of the guest bedrooms has a built-in desk and double closets. Could be nicely set up for a office / guest bedroom. The guest bathroom has beautiful tile work. The backyard has a little grass area, so if you have any pets, they have a place to go. Beautiful shade trees as well. Down here in this Mesilla area, the landscaping's mature, so you have a lot of green down here. It's just a really nice feel. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2026 Via Tesoro. Again, this is a beautiful custom home in Mesilla. You're just minutes away from great restaurants and shopping. The old plaza down here, just a great area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, custom built home, 2441 square feet. It's a must see. So give me a call, Ron Bruder at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.